fraction action. Mackenzie will be here in a minute, so I'm going to show you what a proper fraction is. Hi. Hi, Mackenzie. Okay, a proper fraction is whenever the top number, which is the numerator, is smaller than the denominator, which is the bottom number.
So we could put 5/8.
But if we put 8/5, that would not work. That would be considered an improper fraction. We'll show you what that is later. Okay, so you could also put 12/16. Mackenzie, will you write these examples on here? 12/16, 9/15. You could do even more than that. So
We can't tell you them all right now.
Oh,
That's a lot.
And then I'm going to show you what an improper fraction is. An improper fraction, let's see. Okay, so an improper fraction, let's do 8/5. Oops. Okay, 8/5. Okay, so 8/5 is considered an improper fraction. I'm just going to put frac. So that's an improper fraction. Mackenzie would show us how to change a mixed number into an improper fraction, and then I'll show you what an improper fraction is changed into a mixed number.
Can you give me a mixed number?
5 2/3.
Okay, so what you do is you do 5 times 3 equals 15. Put the 15 up here. 15 plus 2 equals 17. And the denominator always has to stay the same, so remember that.
So it would be
3 and
17 over 3. So we're going to take 17 over 3, and since that is an improper fraction, we're going to change it into a mixed number, and I'll show you how.
So divide 17
into 3
thirds.
So it's just 3 going to 1?
No.
Just 3 going to 17?
Yes.
How many times? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. That's, you would have to go up to 18, so 5.
And
5
remember
times 15. So that is 2. So you put your 2 up here, remainder 2. But you can't do a remainder 2 on your fractions. So you'd have to put 2, and you remember the denominator always stays the same, so 2/3. So 5 2/3. Five 2/3 matches 17/3. So that's an improper fraction into a mixed number. Mackenzie, how are they used in real life? Improper fractions and mixed numbers.
Well, they're used in real life. Let's say you have a pizza. How many times could you cut them in? You could cut them like that.
Into fourths, into eighths. And then there's many other ways that you could cut a pizza. But all the pieces have to be equal whenever you're splitting them. So you could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eighths of a pizza shaded in, which means eaten.
That
and
would
an improper
mean
fraction.
that either me or Hannah ate 5/8 of the pizza.
So an improper fraction used in real life. Well, let's have 3 pizzas cut into fourths. Whenever you're really splitting them, they would all have to be equal. Okay, so
Let's say that Hannah ate
shade in
1 whole pizza.
yes, 1 whole pizza, and then do half of this pizza. So that would be 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 out of 12.
Or the easy way if you had this, you could count by 4 8 12s.
And then also, the improper fraction would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what would that be? Well, the improper fraction would be, there's 6 out of 3 pizzas.
Improper?
There's 6 pieces out of the 3 pizzas.
Okay, yeah.
Improper, proper. And then your mixed number would be 1 and 1, and 1/3. No, 1/2. Sorry, 1/2. So that's a mixed number for this pizza, 1 and 1/2.
And this
it would
is
be the exact same the other way.
This is mixed, improper, and proper.
Yes, that's how they're used in real life. They're the same and different because they both have a denominator and a numerator, and they can both have the same number of pieces eaten, like the 17, the mixed number and improper fraction we showed you earlier. They can both have the same value but different numbers. Okay, so let's show what a fraction is using words, pictures, sets, and a line segment.
Give me a fraction. Now I can make that into a set.
Okay. Let's see. A fraction in words. It's parts of wholes. Part of a whole. Okay. So that's what a fraction is. Now, a fraction using pictures and digits. Mackenzie?
Can you give me a fraction?
5/8. We'll just keep using that one.
5/8. That's the fraction of it. And then let's do, so you do 8.
Okay.
So you do 8 circles.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And then you shade 5. And that is the picture of 5/8.
Yes. Okay. So what about that was a picture and part of a set. So let's do part of a whole. A proper fraction is part of a whole. So let's divide mine into 8s. Okay. So it's 8s. Okay, let me use your marker. Okay. So let's say we had 5 shaded in. 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be part of a whole. Can you get Mackenzie? Okay. We did a whole, we did a set. Now we're going to do a line segment. This is called a line segment. Right here. Line segment right here. This thing right here. So Mackenzie, would you like to show us how to use a fraction in line segment? Well, let me show you how you do it. So let's say, give me a fraction, 3/4?
Yes.
Okay, 3/4. So you divide it into 4 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're not exactly equal. Okay, so this would be 1/4. This would be 1/2. Or 2/4. Since we're using fourths. This would be 3/4.
So that's where this would go.
So this would be here on a line segment.
And then, oopsie, sorry.
Okay. So that's how a fraction is used in real life and in pictures.
Different pictures, line segment.
Yep. So that is what a fraction is, an improper fraction, and a mixed number is. Thank you.
Thank you, bye.